with the hips. Oh, that would be really strong. I don't think we want to get that strong, huh?
No.
Yeah. Strong, not quite there.
Yeah. Protect your smile.
Yeah.
And your bones.
Yes.
Yeah. Teeth are bones, right?
Yeah.
Protect your teeth. Protect your smile. Protect your hip. The bones.
Yes.
A few moments later.
I felt so proud to be a ruffian and to see you two accomplish a dream. Thank you for a beautiful memory. Bye-bye. Thank you. That scared me, Mococo. You sneeze and the crunch at the same time. It's scary.
I told you.
Why? It's scary.
Babe, it's wrong. I'll let your bones, okay?
Wow, I thought we were protecting the bones, Mococo.
Now I eat them.
What? Protect?
And then eat.